What is happening, guys? In today's video, I will be showing you how to make these simple and yet delicious and creamy breakfast smoothies that will take you just 5 minutes to make. Let's get started. Now for the smoothies today, I won't be using frozen fruits. I will only be using fresh fruits and vegetables, and I also will not be adding any ice. So I just did not want to shock my teeth, but you guys can still choose to use frozen fruits and vegetables or add a little bit of ice cubes. Even though I find that when you add a little bit of ice cubes, it just dilutes the flavor a little bit. So you guys will let me know what you think once you've tried it. Let's start with the first one. Now for this smoothie, I'm adding 1 cup of skim milk. You guys can choose to add any dairy-free milk as well. I'm adding 1/4 cup of oatmeal. Next up, I'm adding 1 scoop of my vanilla protein shake. This is about 4 tablespoons. Up next, I'm adding one of my favorite fruits, a handful of blueberry, and you will also need to add 1 banana. I know it's ripe because it's got brown spots. Make sure it is ripe, you guys, because you want it to be nice and creamy as well as sweet. I'm blending all of this up together. And this is perfect if you are in a rush in the morning, you only have a few minutes to sneak in breakfast. I absolutely love it. It is quick, delicious, easy, and best of all, so healthy for you, and it keeps you full for longer. Enjoy! For my berry smoothie, I'm adding 1 cup of milk, and again, you can choose to add dairy-free milk. I'm adding 1/4 cup, or I would say 1/2 cup of strawberries. I think it was only 5 that I added. And then next up, I'm adding a handful of blueberries. Again, this time I used a glass, y'all, just so that you guys can see that I measured it. And I'm squeezing a little bit of lemon, about a teaspoon of lemon. And of course, I am adding my banana to make it so nice and creamy. Blend this baby all up. And there you have it, a very quick, simple, and delicious strawberry smoothie. You can also drink this as a snack, or like I said, in the morning if you are in a rush and you just want something quick, delicious, and nutritious. For my green smoothie, I'm adding 1 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of cucumber. Now you can choose to peel off the skin if you don't like your smoothie to have foam on top. I'm adding 1 cube of ginger, as well as 1 green apple that I've just chopped into a couple of cube slices. And I'm also going to be adding my freshly squeezed lemon juice. And this is about, I would say, 3 tablespoons, you guys. So it's not that much, but it just gives it a nice zesty and fresh flavor. And then I'm also going to be topping it up with 1/4 cup of water. Now the next ingredient is optional, but for sweetness, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of honey. And last but not least, I am adding my baby spinach. Put that all in a blender, and that's it, you guys. Easy 3 smoothies that anybody can make. They are so nutritious, so good for you. Easy for breakfast. It takes about 2 minutes to make all of them. So it's just under 5 minutes, and boom, you've got your own healthy smoothies. So there is no excuses. Let's try them, you guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye now.